Hi, Matt Chineen here. Someone asked to see how I make the panels. So I'm going to just do it live and show you what I'm doing here. I cut these on the table saw and I make it 1/8 of an inch smaller than my nominal dimension. This is 14 by 16. And I'm going to have, I'll show you this more closely. I put canvas on one side, and then I put a piece of craft paper that pre-cut on the other side, and I'll show you how I glue that. So without further ado, I'm going to take, I have a tray with a roller on it, and this is Elmer's glue. So I'm going to glue this. Okay, now I want to show you, I'm going to move the camera over this way to show you how I get this thing like this. Okay, there's the canvas. So I'm going to get enough glue on there, not too much. And so it looks like this. And I can just place this down exactly in the middle. And then I flip it over. And then I rub out. Right now, maybe it's hard to see, but there's a lot of wrinkles in it. It's not flat down. And so I rub it just down with my hand. The glue will help relax the the wrinkles, any of the folds or anything like that. It'll sort of help relax it, and just relax there. All right, then what I do is I turn it over like that, and I cut the corners. A nice sharp utility knife blade. And just enough pressure. And just cut the corners like that. Like that. All right, then I take the glue, the same glue and the same roller. Like that. And I'm going to go on I'm going to glue up that end all around. Okay, now fold it over. A lot of tedious work. Are you still there? Hello? All right, so then I got my panel with the canvas on one side, and then what I want to do is put glue on a piece of craft paper that I also pre-cut. I pre-cut them. I have a sort of system with that. I have some templates. I don't have them in. I was going to bring them out, but I pre-cut everything. And let me move you over here again. There's a couple of these moves. Is that where I want to be? Yeah. Okay. The paper sort of rolls up, so you got to kind of keep an eye on it. Anyway, so there you go. I got the glue on the thing. I'm going to lay it down. I'm going to turn you over here. I'm going to pick it up and then lay it down on the back of that panel. I'll pick it up like this, kind of like that, and just get it. So that keeps it, you know, flat. It's kind of equal. It's got glue on both sides of that panel, and they seem pretty stable. You know, they're I've made a lot of these, so. Anyways, every step, kind of clean it off. Now this is ready for. Relax there. It's ready to go in the stack and sit there for a few days, and then I'll gesso it. I'll show you how I do that too. It's going to take. I'm not going to be able to do that very soon, but maybe by Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, great. Well, thanks so much for watching. That's a lot of fun. 90 of these, 90 more of these. Almost got a few done, but thanks a lot.